Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of sending a voice message in WhatsApp. Sometimes typing a message isn't enough, and you want to add a personal touch to your conversations. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp application on your device. Ensure that you're logged in to your account. Step 2. Go to the chat where you want to send the voice message. It can be an individual or a group chat. Step 3. In the bottom right corner of the chat screen, you'll see a green microphone icon. This is the voice message button. Step 4. Tap and hold on the microphone icon. You'll be prompted to allow WhatsApp to access your device's microphone. Grant the necessary permission. Step 5. Once you've granted microphone access, you can start recording your voice message. Simply speak into the microphone, and your message will be recorded. Step 6. If you change your mind or want to cancel the recording, slide the recording icon to the left. This will delete the message. Step 7. To lock the recording, slide the recording icon up. This will keep the recording active, allowing you to record a longer message without holding down the microphone button continuously. Step 8. When you're ready to send the voice message, tap on the paper airplane icon. It will instantly send the message to the recipients. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a voice message in WhatsApp. Your personal touch will now enhance your conversations. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.